welcome back to Lost Salty Souls. I'm Alan, and today we are at Pismo Beach. We just arrived here and just exploring a couple of little coves. I'm actually not quite sure what this is. This is kind of unexpected to explore, so I'm just going to show you what we found. It's freaking awesome. And then it looks like there's caves over there. See, there's caves over there that I'd like to explore. That looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna explore too much. I actually would love to just come back with everyone and explore a little bit. So let's get back up there and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful sunset. So next time I pick this up, we'll already be here in the morning. And good morning, my Lost Salty Souls. So I figured out what this area was. It's actually called Margo Dodd State Park here at Pismo Beach. It is now at low tide. We found out the low tide times, so we are going to go down there and explore. I'm so excited. There's people down there this time. There's a bunch of kayakers, so next time I come up here, I'm bringing my kayak because this is a great place to do it at. So let's get down there and go see what we can find. Look at all of that. Look at all, it's all low tide now. Now we can actually get in there and explore all that. I'm super excited. And it looks like Adrian and John are already headed down there. Let's go catch up with them. And just like I said, there they are. So let's go down. All right, where are we going first?
I don't know. I was going to see if we'll go that way. Maybe
Yeah.
walk to that cave.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, check this out, guys. How cool is this? Here. Check this little guy out. He's a little crab. You see him? So cool. Get up here, dude. We're gonna go explore all that behind us. Gonna go to the other side now. We made it quite far, actually. And we are gonna go a little further. Supposedly there is a octopus over there, which I'm excited to see. So let's try to make our way over there and I'll show you what I mean. See, it is very small right here. So let's attempt this. Oh. Whoo, good Lord, Jesus, Mary, Mother, Joseph.
I know you want to see the octopus, but I don't think you're going to be able to get down here safely there.
Okay. Okay. We're going to step right there. Oh, okay. All right, how awesome is this? A bunch of crabs in there.
You see all the little stripy crabs going?
Do you remember where they said it was at? I think they said it was up here. Did you guys see an octopus yet? He's up here somewhere. What? No, they are, I think, but there's an octopus over here somewhere. Somebody just said it was a quite big one, but it wouldn't come out from somewhere.
Mason, you put a snail in the bucket with some water. There's another snail. Wait, was that snail in the other snail?
Snail baby?
We only put one snail in that. And there's 2 snails in there.
Hang on.
Oh, sorry. Well, while trying to locate this octopus, I did find a really cool tide pool right here that has a lot of crabs and some fish in it. So I'm going to try to video it, but unfortunately, I did not bring my extra batteries, so lesson learned. But I can still take pictures and video of what I can see. So let me show you what I found just now. So here's a really cool tide pool, and I have a feeling the octopus is in here, but I cannot see him. There are a ton of crab in here. So that's a really cool tide pool, and I really wish that I could get in there and show you guys that. But on my next visit, I'll definitely show you guys that, and I'll make sure I have it. Unless we come back down here, but we've gotten pretty far, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to come back. But let's proceed forward and see what we can find. They said he was up here somewhere, and I should have asked him where. And I thought that the octopus would have came out already. But I don't even see him. So let's just go up here. Oh, here's a crab, a few crabs. Little crabbity crab in there. It's a bunch of crabs everywhere. Oh, there's a crab right there. Wow, really cool. Let's take a look over here real quick, and then we should probably head back. Man, I feel like I can just keep searching. All right, let's take a look over here. Oh, that was a big crab. Ooh, look at all those crabs that are running. All right, that's about as far as I'm gonna go today. How beautiful it is. All the people kayaking and the waves are coming in. I don't know about you, but I'm having a blast. I hope you had a blast with us. I am gonna head back to where John and Adrian are. There was a little spot here that John just couldn't cross, so Adrian ended up staying over there with him while I moved on to try to find this octopus that I just can't find. So I'm taking one more look in this general area to see if I can find him. So please, don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that like button if you want to see more videos like these, and if you've enjoyed your time here with me today. And I'm going to start heading back to them because, well, we got more beaches to discover before we head home. Alright you guys, thanks for watching, and as always, stay salty my friends.
I want to get up now.
Why are you scared?
I hear creatures.
You're doing really good. Come
You're
on.
scared of that little
You're
creature.
You're okay.
That little creature right there, you scared it.
You're okay.
I want to go back.
Oh, there goes another creature.
Pismo.
Yes, we're going back to Pismo. Relax.
There's two creatures. Two crabs.
They're cute though.
Alan.
Hmm.
Two crabs.
I know.
See you two?
He's a
Crabs
green
fight
one
each other.
and a big one.
The crabs are not fighting each other. They're just moving from one crack of water to the